There's a new and easier way to get your original HP ink and toner with Amazon Dash Replenishment. Just let your printer do it for you. Your printer intelligently monitors your ink or toner levels and orders the original HP cartridges you need only when you need them. Amazon will notify you when a new order is processed, and you will have 24 hours to review or cancel your order. There are no subscription fees, and Prime members get their ink or toner in just 2 days. Simply confirm you have a compatible HP printer and register your printer with HP by creating an HP account. Then complete enrollment in the Amazon Dash Replenishment program, and you're done. So say goodbye to last-minute shopping and cartridge confusion, and sign up for Amazon Dash Replenishment to never shop for ink or toner again.
Please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon.